how to remove Payout account in Facebook page. So if you want to remove Payout account in your Facebook page, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser, and on your browser, if you want to remove a Payout account on your Facebook page, you need to go to business.facebook.com and hit the enter. After opening business.facebook.com, you'll have this kind of interface. Then you need to log into your Meta Business account. Now, if there is a payment method or payment account that you would like to remove, then from the left-hand side, from the bottom left, first of all, you can go with your settings. And under settings, now once you again click on the settings, you will get this kind of interface. You need to scroll down and go with billing and payments. Now once you're on your billing and payments, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. You need to go with the payment method section. So if there is an account, if you have added any pay account, you'll find those payment accounts right here under your payment method section. So if you've added anything, you just need simply go with remove. You will have remove option. You'll be able to remove your payment method from here. Or if you want to add any payment method, you'll be able to add your payment method right here. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.